Hello, my name is Mohammed Amin Kraim. I make this video to show you my homework. During the last day, I installed Ubuntu on my machine. After I installed KVM Rebirth and open the switch. So after that, I create this three VMs with Linux operation system. And now I will create the bridge interface bear 0. So I name it bear 0. Now I will bridge the ETH 0 with the bear 0. So I will add the ETH 0 to the bridge. Okay, so now I will try to connect internet to verify internet connection. So I will pinging this address of Google. The connection is down. The VMs cannot connect to the internet. So to resolve this problem, I will configure the address information of the bear 0. So I will give the bear 0 interface the address of the ETH 0. I must know the address. I will give the bear 0 this address. One sec. Okay, now I will give the default route to the gateway of bear 0. After that, I must enable the ETH 0 address. The default gateway of the bear 0 is the interface that the interface that can go to the router. Point I. So now the internet connection must be up. I will test it. Nice. So now after do that, I will isolate the VM and create create two VLANs and affect VM1 and 2 to the first VLAN and the third VM to the second VLAN. So So for this three VMs, every VMs have an interface. The VNet 0 is the interface of VM, the first VM. The VM1 is the interface of the second VM, and the VNet 2 is the interface of the last VM. So I will affect every VNet to the specify VLANs. VNet 0, it's the interface of the first VM. I will give her a tag, for example 100. Okay, so the second VM that have VNet 2 interface, the same tag because they are in the same VLANs, and the third VM have the 200 tags. I give the VNet 2. I will correct this. So VNet 1, VNet 1. So the first and the last VMs are in the same VLAN, and the second VMs are in the other VLANs. Okay. So let's show our configuration. We can do VS natural show. Here there are our bridged interface, and the virtual switch, and the port. Here there are 5 port. The port VNet 0 of the first VM, the tags on 100. The second port VMnet 1, and the last port the ETH 0. So that's our configuration. Now I will test the ping between VMs. So this VMs have the address point 34. I will ping from here. It ping, but now if I ping the second VMs, it should not the ping should not be succeed. I don't know the address of the second VM. Okay. It should not work, but it work. I have some misconfigured. So and trying to ping the Google, it ping. All VMs can ping internet interface. So now I will show you our script. I write two scripts with two different language. So let's try the Python script. Let's define the Python path variable. And here we put the way of the folder. I forget to go to the root user, root privilege. Now the Python path is defined. Now I will go to the script folder. To run the script, we should run the main. This is the main. So we do Python main point bigger. Now the Python is load. Saisir le tag du VLAN que vous voulez créer. Disons, on va choisir 200. Là, on doit choisir la carte que vous voulez, que nous voulons ajouter au VLAN. Alors, puisque ces trois cartes correspondent chacune à une VM, on va choisir de mettre la première VM1 dans le VLAN 200. Oui. So, ici on nous a dit que VNet 0 il est déjà associé à un autre VLAN. Already exist. Voulez-vous affecter d'autres VM à ce VLAN, le VLAN 200? Alors je vais dire non. Et le script est fini. Bon, si vous voulez, on va essayer aussi le deuxième script avec du shell, langage shell. Alors pour exécuter le script, on va taper comme ça. Alors le script est lancé. Là on voit toutes les interfaces. On nous demande d'entrer le bridge, le nom du bridge. Alors on va dire BR1 puisque nous avons BR0. euh, on nous demande d'entrer le nombre de VM, on va dire une seule. Alors pour l'interface du VM, puisqu'ils sont tous utilisés, on va choisir quand même une. Le tag du VLAN qu'on veut utiliser, alors je vais choisir un tag 50 par exemple, et voilà. Si nous faisons Office show, là on va voir que le bridge B1 il est ajouté, et on voit aussi que le VLAN que le VLAN 200 a été ajouté au PR0, puisque nous l'avons fait avec le premier script. Et voilà. Merci pour votre attention.